Hi everyone, it's Lisa Chero-J from Tech Tutoring with Lisa, and welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. So today's tip is all about organizing our files within Google Drive. So we already know how to do that through Google Drive, but did you know that you can actually organize your files through the file itself? So what we're going to do is we're going to take our mouse and move it up into this button that says Move. It's a little folder with an arrow in it. So I'm just going to click on that. And now I'm going to be able to move my file into whatever folder I want. So I've got a bunch of folders already made here. Or I could make a new folder that I want to move it into. So I'm going to just type it in, example, press the check mark, and now move here. And now it's organized into that new folder. I can always do the reverse of that and move it back. I could even press undo, or I could just dismiss it. If I want to change it again, I can just go back to that same button to move, and then I can go back and put it into a different folder. And I can even use folders within folders. And then you just press move here. So there's so much you can do on Google Drive and all these Google apps. If you have any questions, reach out to me. You can always send me a private message or email me at techtutoringwithlisa@gmail.com. Bye.